Okay, this is our daily withdrawals. This is what I've been withdrawing from a deposit of just $50 by using our self trading bot called AiTech or an evil killer bot. You can see every day what I do, I just on the bot and leave it to run. Even this last one that I withdraw about 8.64, that was because the boat had to stop along the way because sometimes the screen of my phone will just go off. So all I do is just to on it, make sure there is data on the phone, make sure there is no disturbance, there's no calls are coming in and so on, and then the boat will be running on its own. So with a minimum deposit of $50, you can actually make something good from this boat. Imagine withdrawing $10, $15, $14 every blessed day. Yesterday, I think I make about 2 withdrawals, 7.676 and then 10.5. That was yesterday without trading on my own. And this morning I've made a withdrawal of 8.64. This is something I owned it last night and I went to bed. So this morning I saw that the screen of my phone actually went off. So I have to look for a way to get it. All right, so let's go to the trading history. You can see I have $50 as my capital. Oh, here is the trading history. So you can see win, lost, okay, lost, win, lost, win, win. This actually means that the boat is not 100% perfect. That doesn't mean it does not lose a trade. It does lose a trade, but they have a recovery method. Is using strong algorithm of money management to always recover your losses and put you ahead. So this boat is being designed to help everyone that cannot trade on their own, because it's not always good staying in front of phone or computer every minute fighting with your what they call it, market. So the bot will do the analysis for you and trade for you, and also manage the money for you. Okay, so sometimes I can't. People that can trade very well usually have this issue of uh, losing trick that usually affect their emotion and end up blowing off the account. So with this bot, your emotion is not involved. All you just need to do is to on it, make sure there is data on your phone or your laptop, depends on what you're using, and just leave it to run. So when you are done, once it gets, can also set take profit and stop loss. So when it hits your take profit, it will stop, or when it hits stop loss, it will also stop. Thank you.